first interviewed at AWS, the main things I went through were actually the leadership principles. They were the things I focused on more than anything because the entire of AWS is built around the culture.
Go online and understand our leadership principles. They really are the leading lights for our business. It's everything that we all stand by, and we are quite peculiar in that way. So understanding what they are and why they're important to us is firstly really important.
So the first thing I did was to take a look at some of the shareholder letters. I dive very deep on the leadership principles, as well as taking a look at reviews and Glassdoor.
I spent some time reflecting back on previous projects, previous jobs that I've had, and trying to extract how those would apply to the leadership principles that the interview is based around.
I was looking at experience that I had already, thinking about how Amazon innovates all the time. What new ideas could I bring to Amazon? So I actually came with a list of paper, written down both what I'd done already and the ideas that I would bring with me.
I actually spent a lot of time looking at exactly what AWS had done for other government customers and looking at the case studies on their website. I also went onto the console and had a look at the key services and tried to really understand how to use AWS Cloud as opposed to just what benefits there are of cloud in general.
The way I prepared for my AWS interview, I had no experience in AWS before I interviewed, and that wasn't a problem. But I thought it would be great if I got certified as a solutions architect. But I failed my exam the day before. Instead of that being a problem, the question the interviewer asked me on the phone was, well, what did you learn from that? And I thought that was really, really interesting.
Understanding what it takes to be an Amazonian really prepared me well, put me in good stead for my interview.